Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change PIR interval on G-Vision HC-550 MG night vision camera. So all you need to do, just grab your remote, go to the menu and scroll down. Click down button 3 times until you reach PIR interval. Click on it and then you can switch between 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds. So just pick whichever option you would like, click OK and then click menu button again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one.